Next on Mini Machina Moto Features, or MMMF, Honda Click 160.
As we are here in HSDC in Bikutan, let's take a moment to appreciate the Honda Click 160, the all-new Honda Click 160. It comes in three colors. You have red, you got black, and basically white. And sa kanilang lahat, paborito ko yung puti because lumalabas yung mga linya ng mga highlights ng mga itim, or you can call the white part to be the highlight, but to me it's actually the lines of the black that's popping out because it is predominantly white. And because it is white, it just looks larger and bigger. On this side, if you take a look, it's massive compared to sa dating Click. Kumbaga barrel chested yung Honda Click 160 ngayon. It looks really big and thick. There you go, see? Matte white, very very nice. Of course, ilaw natin LED. If you look at yung face natin, meron tayong dalawang slits dito. Ito medyo Evangelion talaga yung dating niya. And this one, tribute with the older Honda Click, of course. It goes from here and goes up there. Boom! See? Now if you turn it on, so ayan yung ilaw natin. Tanghaling tapat po tayo ngayon dito. Medyo makulimlim dahil habagat. But you know, lights are pretty good. Daytime, kitang-kita po siya. And ang ating signal light, of course. Those are our brakes. Ang ating busina naman. And we're right next to the East Service Road po dito sa may andyan ang Bikutan. Dito po papunta yung sukat. We're outdoors. Nice and loud. It has a fuzzy meep to it. Now, one of the things that I also appreciate about yung Honda Click 160 natin na bago ay yung ating compartment dito. I like the touch here. Look, hindi siya biglaan. Pag pinindot mo siya, open, it's got a nice soft open. Choink, diba? Hindi siya jajag. Okay, so what's cool about this, malalim-lalim to. So what I have here is a Samsung Z Fold 4. And as you can see, it can go way inside there. Diba? It just disappeared. You can hook your phone up there and just connect it to the USB port. And you are good. On the other side, is it as deep? It is not. So meron siyang mas shallow yung right side ng compartment natin, and ito ang mas deep sa atin. So very very practical, very very nice. In terms of our cluster, meron akong wishlist dito for Honda. Pangarap ko is to see, you know, a scooter in this segment pero TFT display, right? But not to say that this is lousy or bad. Syempre, mga improvements na gusto natin makita. Pupush natin yung manufacturer, just keep on giving and giving and giving. And ang request natin dito sana sa feature TFT display na hindi naman gano'ng kataas yung magiging price increase natin. In terms of the quality of our seat, I'd say it's alright. Not bad as Honda goes. Very very comfortable. Firm po ang ating foam, as you can see. And it can go really really down there for you guys. Go very comfortable with your pet log. Taillion is also going to be pretty comfortable. More foam here on this side. This is not bad also on the rear. Maganda rin yung ating foam dito. So, of course, Honda will always make a scooter and try to make it to be efficient and very comfortable for people. What I also noticed is your space here. Malaki yung gulay board natin. There's a lot of space for you to hang stuff there when you gotta go to the market and stuff. Ako po ay 6 feet tall. Maganda po ang aking leg room. If you can see, I just scoot back and hindi tumatama ang aking knees, as you can see. Nice and roomy. So that's very important for me. We have a handbrake or park brake when you want to park. Of course, magagamit natin to in an incline. There you go. So that means naka-incline ka, hindi siya pwede rumolyo or what. Naka-locking brakes. Kailangan mo mandar, just hit it. And you're ready to go. You got your usual safety features. Pag naka-side stand ka, hindi siya andar. And one of the telling things that I would say that I appreciate about the new Honda Click 160 ay yung size ng ating gulong. It's bigger now, it's thicker. Look at that. Ang kapal. So for me, that's performance right there. And you might think, bumagal ba ito dahil lumaking gulong? I feel na if ever may nasa-sacrifice dito ng likse or acceleration, it's okay because yung kapalit naman na handling na nakukuha mo dito sa gulong na to, solid. Good tires, that thick, that ratio, that size. When you're in the corners, nagbabanking ka, sobrang okay to. In the automatic segment, with that kind of tire configuration and the power that it is giving, dahil 4 valves na po siya, solid, di ba? Na-compensate naman yung power to weight ratio niya. And according to Honda, the power to weight ratio is also even better because yun nga, 4 valves na po siya. Iba na yung sipa niya. Now, another thing that we can look here under the seat, yung reservoir na po natin ay nandito. So you can monitor your level here na hindi mo na kailangan sumilip sa baba like the old Click. Very convenient. It's not a backbreaker and it's all over there. One of the things I can also see that we can do to improve, sana magkaroon tayo ng parang courtesy light or pilot light dito. May ilawan na kagad yan, especially sa gabi, diba? And you want to see what you got there, what you need to grab and stuff. A nice pilot light there I think would be a good improvement. Safety wise, kaprichohan na yung TFT display na request. Mas unahin ko na i-request sa Honda, ABS harap, ABS likod. Mangarap na tayo, di ba? Cornering ABS, traction control, which we actually have with the PCX. And I guess it's just a matter of time bago nila ilabas yan dito sa Honda Click 160. Grips are makapit and malagkit and I like it that way. Your gloves are gonna grip this really well. The mirrors are okay na rin, pero I'm just imagining what if this was like die-cast metal. Bibigat na kote or maybe some light aluminum na black. Parang ganda ng dating yan as opposed to plastic. I think that will fit the overall look of the Honda Click 160. Pretty good, pretty good.
Mini Makina Moto features. Oomph.